Hello, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Everybody, I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Chalo, let's start with the session. Uh, Discount, just like the series that we are running, it will be kind of a little harder level questions. Okay, we'll plan for contingencies for this year's CGL 2026. So with that being said, it's a pure practice-based session. So we will start with questions only. We will start with questions only. So this is your first question for the day. This is your first question for the day, everyone. Let's just start. So let's read the question. Again, acha, before I start with the questions, all the questions today that I've taken are from CGL 2025 examination only. Pre-examination CGL 2025, not the mains. Very basic stuff we'll discuss. Chalo sir, first, a retailer marks an air conditioner 80% above its CP. He offers a first discount 25% on this. During a festival offer, an additional discount of 10% is applied on the already discounted price. Meaning, sir, these two are what? These two are going to be successive discounts. Now, the final selling price is this. What is the approximate cost price? Sir, I'll show you two methods. Okay. First method, always when the price is given after discount, meaning SP is given. So it's always better, na? Sir, if I take, sir, CP is X rupees into 25% discount, meaning 75% selling price, 3/4, into, sir, 10% discount, meaning 90%, meaning 9 by 10. This is equal to 1,552. Right? This is one way. Now, approximate word is kind of giving me a little trouble. Most of the time, this method is very good, but sir, if it is not divisible, then it might create a little problem. But again, in this case, as I can see, 15, 3, 18, so this is divisible by 9. So this will not give us that much trouble. Chalo, karte hain, sir. 9 ones are 9, 63, sorry, 65, 25, 18. So 1728 is divisible by 3. This is 12 cube actually. 3 6 are 18, sorry. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 6 are this. So you will say X will be 576 into 4, that is 2000. 500 into 4 is 2000, plus 70 into 4 is 280, and say 24, meaning say 304. Sir, into this 10. So meaning 2304 and a 0, 23,000 something. Sir, ये तो गड़बड़ हो गया. Have I done some error? एक second, ये क्या हुआ? अच्छा, this is MP, my mistake. So sorry. This is, they are asking CP, na? So this is no mistake, sir. This is MP, sir. Marked price. Now, marked price is 80% above the cost price. Meaning, sir, this 23,000 040. This is representing what? 80% above. This is MP, meaning 180% is MP. I need CP, meaning 100, sir. So 0 and this 0 gone. 4, 3, 7 to 9. It's divisible, sir. So 9 2s are 18, 50. 5s are this, 6 are this. And this is 50. Or rather, let's not do this. Let's do this. 128. Sir, 128,000. So we are getting a very good answer, which is option C. Which is option number C, sir. But again, having said that, please understand that means over here, this approximate word was given to us just to confuse. It's not difficult. Why? Please understand, when will it become difficult? If this is not divisible. The calculations are going to give me trouble. In that case, what to do? That will be the second method for this question. Sir, what I'll say, let's do one thing. Sir, 25% and 10%, so successive, let's figure out the net discount. This is the net discount. So which will be 35 and this is 5 by 2. So this is 32.5% actually. 32.5% actually. So on some CP, let's say CP was Y rupees. I've marked it up by 80%. So this becomes 9 by 5, 180%. On this 32.5% discount. 32.5% discount meaning 100 minus 32.5. That is 67.5%. That is given as 15552. You can figure it out directly from here as well. This is another method using successive discount, the AB theorem. Now, whichever you feel comfortable, solve it. But again, the first method gave us our answer. Next one, please, sir. Next one, please, sir. Acha, not this one. Sorry. Sir, let's do this one. Let's do this one, sir. अच्छा एक सेकंड ये भी ट्रेड डिस्काउंट का है क्या अच्छा ट्रेड डिस्काउंट विल काइंड ऑफ डू लेटर फर्स्ट अच्छा let's focus on this then. I'll give you couple of minutes to solve. Again, this year's question only. This is this year's question only, sir. So again, please try to solve this. Arey, le bhai. Just a second. I don't know where I'm putting it. Sir, it will work now. ठीक है? You might be able to see. That is third option is 12.5%. Keep that in mind. Please solve. I'll give you 30 more seconds. No worries. Please solve, sir. Everyone. Please solve this first question. चलो चलो चलो. Answers. Yet to receive any answers. Why 9 by 5 multiply, Tanisha? Yeah, I'm telling you. That was the last question actually. Sir, please understand, Tanisha, what did I do now here? One second. This one. Sir, 80% above CP na. So here I have taken Y as CP, not MP. So 80% above, meaning MP will be what? 180%. 180% only in terms of fractions can be written as 9 by 5. So I've done this directly. That's all. I've done that directly. That's all. Clear, Tanisha? Clear? Done? Acha, sir, this question, I haven't received any answers. That's why I'm asking. I'm giving you 30 more seconds. But again, I need answers, everybody. Need answers, everyone. Everybody, tell me. Again, very, very good quality questions. Most of the questions were very easy, but again, few questions were very good like this. And I've chosen those questions only. Sir, high-end watch initially marked 50% above CP. During a sale, this much said offer discount. However, a special customer receives an additional discount of Y% on the discounted price. Final selling price is this. Okay. If the this all on the cost after all the discounts, what is the cost, sir? First of all, sir, uh, let's figure out the value of Y. Sir, how we can do that? Sir, let's say X rupees is the CP. Sir, 50% markup, meaning 150%, that is 3 by 2 into. First discount is 20%, meaning 1/5. So after discount, the SP will be 4/5. Now what happened? The special customer gets Y% more discount, meaning after giving the discount, this will be 100 minus Y%, meaning by 100. That is given to you as 4320 rupees. 4320. Let's calculate, sir. Sir, anything. Chalo 4 से ही करो. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 6 are this. So 360. So X into 100 minus Y is giving us 360. This is 10, meaning 000. Okay. This is CP. Acha. And again, sir, 8% a profit he is still making. एक second. Just a second. So from here now, I'll get the CP. It will be better if I just calculate this separately rather than taking X. I'll X cancel, I'll do. Sir, this is 8%. So 4320 represents, if there is a 8% profit, this represents 108%. And I need this CP. CP is 100%. So 4 times 0. So this is 4,000 rupees. So this is CP, sir. I don't need to take X. There is no need of me taking X, sir. Sir, I can directly start with this, sir. This is 4,000 rupees. This is 4,000 rupees. So this is again 4,000 rupees. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 4 nines are this. So this is 90. So Y becomes 10. Sir, Y becomes 10. I don't need to check anything, sir. This is your answer. This is your correct answer, sir. Perfect, everyone. This is not a very difficult question. This is not a very difficult question. It can be done very, very, very simply, very easily. Perfect. Sir, acha. The trade discount question. Trade discount question, sir. Chalo, this one. Acha, trade discount for this is normal discount only. Okay, don't think it's very, like anything very weird, very fascinating or something. Simple. Wholesaler buys a batch of ceiling fans at a 50% markup over factory base cost C. Okay. So then he allows 20% discount. Then retailer does this. Acha, sir, go with the story. C was the factory price. On that, he got it at a 50% markup. 50% markup meaning 3 by 2, 150%. Then he allows a 20% trade discount. 20% discount meaning 4 by 5, 80%. This is at which the retailer buys this. Now retailer will go like do what, sir? 40% markup, meaning 140%, 7 by 5 into. Offers a flat 10% discount, meaning, sir, 90%, 9 by 10. And this is that final payment 18,144. Again, it's all about calculating now. Chalo calculate karte hai, sir. 2 to this is 5. Chalo 9 2s are this and 9 16s are this. 7 3 अच्छा 7 से तो जाएगा नहीं सर. 3 72 sir. So C is 72 into 555 is 125. By this 7. This 7 is going to give us a little trouble. What is the original? But it's not divisible by 7 na? It's not divisible by 7. 3 by 2. allows a 20% trade discount. Sir, 125 multiplication is very, very simple, sir. Multiply by 8, divide by 8. So this is 9,000 by 7 I'm getting, which is not correct. Am I missing something? Retailer applies 40% markup, offers a 10% discount, 9 by 10, 3 by 2. I cannot find anything. Ruko na ek second, let me check. Let me just check once the question. I'm having this feeling that something is not right. I'm having this feeling that something is not right, sir. Uh, where I'm making mistake? Somewhere I'm making mistake. Ruko na ek second. Let me do the calculation once more na, because question is exactly similar. Let me just do it once more. I guess some calculation mistake somewhere we have made. Ceiling fan 50% markup meaning 3 by 2. Then sir 20% discount meaning 4 by 5. Then sir retailer this 40% 7 by 5. Then sir 90% meaning 9 by 10. This is given as 18,144. 9. 9 twos are 18. Sir 16 nines are this. Right? Okay, sir 2016 को मैंने 216 लिख दिया था. So sorry, sir. So very sorry. Sir, 4, 504. 7 sevens are 49. Twos are this. देखा क्या गड़बड़ मैंने कर दिया था. C will be, sir, 2 into 72, 144 into 25 into 10, sir. 25 meaning by 4 into 4. So by 4, if you do 4 threes are 12, this is 36. 100 and this, 100 and this. 100 and this, this 3 I forgot. By 3 you do. Sir, by 3 you do. Sir, you are getting 12,000 as the answer. Option number A. Option number A, sir. My mistake, I don't know. This very simple 216 I've written instead of 2016. And you see, I'm thinking, kya garbar kar diya maine? I'm thinking, what did I do wrong? Acha, sir, let's do this. Again, a very similar to the last question. Please solve this, everyone. Please solve this, everyone. Very, very, very similar to the last question, everybody. Just calculation. Most of this, you see, discount, very good question. The lengthy question, the harder questions will always be lengthy. Like from the calculations point of view, that's all. But again, our job is to find, like, kind of make it easier. Marks up the price of the oven by 60%. Sir, X is cost price, 60% meaning, sir, 160. 160% meaning 8 by 5. 15% discount meaning, sir, 85%. That is 17 by, sir, 20. Then, sir, in turns, retailer marks it up by 25%, meaning 125. 125% meaning 5 by 4 into. Offers a 10% festival discount, meaning, sir, 90%, 9 by 10. That is given as 14490. Now, I hope you guys can solve. I hope you guys can solve this. Solve and tell me the answer, please. Sir, 5 and 5 cancels. 4 and this 2 cancels. 2 and this 10. This 100 I'm keeping like this. So 9 se karo. 9, 9, 9, 16s are 144. 9 ones are this. 17 से तो नहीं जाएगा. 17 से जाएगा क्या, सर? No, 150. 9 16s, 144, ones are this. So X I am getting as something like this. Everybody, please check. Please do the final calculation. Please do the final calculation. This will be like this, okay? Because you see, again, if you guys are thinking, why am I not checking this? Because I know there is this word approximate. So calculation will be a little weird. So 17, अच्छा चलो मैं कर ही देता हूँ. 17 nines are 153. 17 nines are 153, sir, right? So meaning sir 18 remain, sir 80 remaining. So fours are something. So 9 fours is starting, sir, there is only one option. So that has to be my correct answer. Again, I'll not do the entire thing. But again, once they have given you this an approximate given, na, they should not have given you 9500. At least 96, 9700 they should have given. Thoda gap. Clear everyone, sir? Clear, sir? Everybody? Chalo, then let's solve this. Let us solve this, everyone. Let us solve this very, very, very quickly. I'm giving you a little time. Couple of minutes I'm giving. Couple of minutes I'm giving. Please solve. Please solve this, everyone. Answers, 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 everyone. Quickly, quickly. Need answers. Need answers, everybody. Chalo, 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 sir. Need answers. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Need answers, everyone. Chalo, sir. Time is up. Time's up, sir. So again, let's see. A software company developer developed 800 licenses for a new application. Total cost of this. They provided 50 licenses free to their top beta testers. For the remaining licenses, they offered 15% discount on the MP of 6,000 rupees a license. Additionally, they gave one license free for every 9 licenses bought. All if all 800 licenses were distributed, overall gain or loss. And again, a little. So first things first. One license free out of 9 licenses. This meaning one free out of total 10, meaning 10% discounts at this one. This in terms, first you convert that into 10% discount. Simple terms. Now, 800 licenses for this. So their CP will be for every license 8 fives are this 1, 2, 3, meaning 5,000 rupees. CP for each of the license. Now, 50 they like kind of provided for free. Okay. Now, 15% discount on 6,000 rupees per license. But again, this is not only a 15% discount, there is another 10% discount. So effective discount that they have given is 15 plus 10 minus 15 into 10 by 100, sir. So this is 25 minus 1.5, meaning 23.5%, sir. 23.5% discount they are giving. Now, on 6,000 rupees. So SP of each license will be how much, sir? 6,000 rupees into 23 less, meaning, sir, this will be 20, like 80, 77, 76.5 out of 100, sir. Double zero, double zero. This zero, get rid of this. So again, this is 4,200. This is 360. This is 30. 90, 45. 4,590 rupees. That means they are selling it for loss. 5,000 rupees is the price of this, and they are selling it for loss, sir. So again, if I can see they are selling it for loss, every license, and also they have given away something free. I don't, from this line, I don't need to go anything, like do anything forward, because there is only one option where they are saying loss. That will be my answer. There is only one option which is saying there is a loss, sir. So I can simply say that is your answer. That is your answer, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Simple question. Very simple question. Sir, let's do the next one. Sir, 30% off and whatnot. Let's do this, sir. Let us do this, sir. Quickly, quickly. Need answers from everyone. A minute's time you have. You have 1 minute. Not more. Very, very quickly I need answers. No answer so far? No answer so far, sir? Sir, a store announces a festival deal. Get 30% off on purchases above 10,000 and an additional 1,000 off if the of the total if the discount exceeds 15,000. A customer buys worth product of 25,000. Sir, first things first. Sir, anything above 10,000, if you shop for, you will get a 30% discount. So discount in this case will be this 7,500 rupees. Now, if the total discount exceeds 15,000, you will get an additional 1,000 off. But the total discount is nowhere close to 15,000, exactly half. So the customer needs to pay how much? Again, you'll say, ये तो एक line का question था, sir. So that will be 17,500 rupees. Option number B, sir. Option number B, sir. So all these data, all these extra data, this was dummy data, meaning this was there designed to kind of make you confused. This was purely designed to make you guys confused. Clear, everyone? 100% clear? Simple question, nothing very difficult about this. Sir, let's do one more. This is the next question that I have given. Again, simple question, let's solve. I'm giving you a minute's time. 1 minute should be enough. 1 minute should be enough for this question. 1 minute should be enough for this question, sir. चलो 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 सर. Everybody need answers. Last 10 seconds. Quickly. Done. Chalo sir, let's see how we can solve this. How we can actually solve this. A retailer sells a product for A rupees, incurring a loss of 10%. Okay. During a sale, he marks up this by this and on the cost price and provides a flat discount. Sir, first things first. Sir, what is the CP? Because A rupees was SP and that was SP when there is a 10% loss, meaning this represents 90%, I need 100. So again, you will say, sir, 10A by 9 is CP. 10A by 9 is CP. Achha, I don't think you will require anything like that, but still, chalo. So during a sale, he marks up this particular CP, that is 10A by 9, by 17.5%, meaning 117.5% into. Provides a discount of 20% on top of this. Provides a discount of, अच्छा एक काम करोगे sir? It's better if I don't do it like this because there is no value involved, na? Sir, this is CP, na? This is CP. You keep it. Now, so they are increasing the or marking up by 17.5%. So this is plus I take, and discount of 20 meaning minus 20. Plus into minus is minus 20 into 17.5 by 100. So we can do it like this. Minus 2.5 here, and this will be 5. 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are this. So this will be minus 3.5. 3 to 6%, sir. That to minus. Minus 6% we are getting. So ultimately what we can say, if on CP I increase this much, then I give a discount, then I will have a 6% loss. So this part was not even required, sir. This part was not required. Sir, I can, ultimately this became a simple one-liner question of AB theorem. Simple one-liner question of AB theorem, sir. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. Nothing is here which can give you or like take you in trouble. Clear, everyone? So, with that being said, then, sir, this was all the questions I wanted to discuss. Like short little class where we discussed a few interesting things, very like some typical questions of CGL, which you can expect that will come. You see, the trend, if you have noticed, the questions, none of these questions were very easy or very difficult. So all the questions looked very difficult. You see, every question here looked very big, very difficult. You see the length of these questions. But again, that does not mean the questions were difficult, so to say. Right? Acha. One more announcement before I go. Sir, you guys can join this Telegram group if you want. Sir, I send regular DPPs, all like every day DPPs over in this group. You can kind of join and practice together. So with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining. I'll again see you guys in the next class, which will be next week, Monday on Monday. So till then, please take care everybody, and thank you so much. If you have loved this session, please do like it. If you have any queries, any feedback, anything at all, feel free to use the comment section, and I'll reply from my personal profile. So thank you. With that being said, take care. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much.